Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, split 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Cut around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a Linden wood trim Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we have our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation with command included in that Premium 3 package, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This C-Class has 23,998 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.